how to create Devin AI account. So let's get started. First thing first, open your web browser and go to the Devin AI website. So once you search for the Devin AI, tap on the first option available there. Then simply look for the request access option available in the bottom left corner. After you tap on the request access, you will typically be asked to provide some basic information to create your account. This may include your email address and what would you like to use Devin AI for. Fill out the required fields with accurate information. Then simply tap on the request access. Then once you have filled out the information and tapped on the request access, your Devin account will be created successfully. So once your account is confirmed, you should be able to access your Devin AI account using the credentials you provided during the sign up process. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.